Supreme Court,
SCOTUS,
agreed Wednesday to decide whether former President Donald Trump can claim presidential immunity over criminal election interference charges, adding a new hurdle to a trial taking place. So all this is going to do is just prolong the trial. I don't believe they're going to give him immunity. That just doesn't make any sense.
And why even tell us you're waiting to see everything until April?
Uh-huh.
Why are you moving this to April? We're in March.
Because he's trying to prolong. I'm trying to see if I.
A lot of people are concerned that they even took the case. They're listening to him. They're hearing him out.
Oh, really?
Yeah. They feel like, well, I mean, we need to understand our laws too. That's giving everybody an opportunity. The main question was, it was 3 questions. Why did they take it?
Yeah.
Why so long of a time frame? Because you know what he's trying to do.
Uh-huh.
Y'all know, everybody and their mama who knows Trump, how Trump has operated even in the years past, is always a delay.
Right.
His issue is, not issue, but his plan is delaying.
He's trying to delay.
So they're thinking the 3 that he put in, they feel like, let's give him an opportunity to hear him out. I owe him. That kind of thing. So everybody's speculating.
If they don't give him,
the Supreme Court group
if they don't give him an opportunity to speak, he'll say that he didn't have an opportunity. He didn't have the opportunity, and they
closing all
the thing. Yeah. So I don't believe that they're going to give him immunity. That would be stupid. Yeah. That would even say they don't even have power over the president. Yeah. Why would they do that?
Thank you.
But it is going to prolong the trial, which is what he wants to do.
What he wants. He's trying to get his foot in the door to become the nominee and to win, so he can't undo things.
It said the court said in a brief order it would hear arguments and issue a ruling on the immunity claim. In the meantime, the case is on hold, meaning no trial can take place. The order said that the court would hear the case, which could take months to resolve, the week of April 22nd. That timeline allows for a ruling by the end of the court's regular term, which is in June, which is faster than is typical when the court hears arguments, but not as fast as the prosecutors wanted it to be. The legal question is the court will decide whether, and if so, to what extent does a former president enjoy presidential immunity from criminal prosecution for conduct alleged to involve official acts during his tenure. Now, the reason why I say that Trump is a moron is, why would you think the Supreme Court would give you immunity to cause an insurrection over our country because you was in office?
But remember,
that doesn't make sense.
But remember, I was telling you, even with the thin thing about being a moron and what he's doing, he's delaying.
That's what he's trying to do.
So you got to think about, that's the only way he can throw something at them and go, okay, look at it. That'll give me some time. Because we keep saying he's a moron, but I think like you're saying, he's a hustler.
He's a hustler.
He's on the street.
He's a hustler.
And let me see what time I can meet him. And then if I miss him, then he can't say he gave it to me.
Yeah, he's a hustler.
I was there. Yes, I was. But I didn't see you. I was there. He's like that. Slick, slide on in. Let me see what I can do to delay things. So in the moron state that he is, he's working. He's doing his job.
So we'll see.
What can you say?
The other court, the lower court, said he's citizen Trump now. So anything that happens can happen.
Oh.
So I don't know. We'll see what happens, but I don't think that they're gonna rule. What did you say? You watched what's their name? What did they say?
Well, Whoopi was just really upset that they took it and that they gave it a late date.
Right.
Sunny was trusting that they would do their job, even in the time frame, that they would still make a decision and do what they need to do to, of course, rule that how we feel they should rule.
Right, right.
So she's confident still in them, but Whoopi's like, no.
Okay.
And Joy said that people are losing their confidence, period, in any of our checks and balances.
Right, it's gone.
Yeah.
It said if Trump wins the election, he would be in a position to order that the charges in his Washington case be dismissed. If he has already been convicted at that point, he could seek to pardon himself. That's why I told you the difference between him and Biden. Trump has to win.
Yeah.
Biden doesn't have to win. Trump has to win
because of
so
other
he's going to
things
put a
involved.
whole lot of everything into that.
Now, Whoopi, I was hoping that she was going down her list because it's like she had her card with things written down with the job, what the president's role now and what he can do,
right?
What Biden can do in regards to all of this. So we're still learning political science and what the job of because we didn't know a lot of things until Trump came on the scene,
right? There's a lot of holes in the system.
Yeah, like they don't have to show the federal reports and stuff like that, things that he's been going around, but executive orders and things like that, we don't understand.
Well, the Supreme Court, is majority conservative. It's 6-3. So it's 6 conservative judges and 3 are the liberals. Yeah. So they can always overvote the 3. But it says on February 8th, the justices heard arguments in a separate Trump-related case about his attempt to avoid being kicked off the ballot in Colorado. Oh, yeah. That's what we're going to talk about now. Him being kicked off the ballot in Illinois. Now, remember, I talked about that.
I thought that they said
no. Not yet. No.
Oh,
He's going to appeal it.
Oh, okay.
He's going to appeal it.
Oh, yeah.
Wendy came in. She said, hey, when Emerald said hi. Emerald says no one should be able to pardon themselves. I agree.
Yeah.
So going to the next thing,